Hello everyone. Today's topic name is Introduction to SQL and DCL. SQL commands are instructions. It is used to communicate with the database. It is supported by Oracle company. It is also used to perform specific tasks, functions and queries of data. It is a relational database management system based on the SQL. This is the popular language for accessing and managing the records in the database. So, SQL means structured query language. It is used for uh, give instructions, means give queries to database. It's supported by Oracle. It is perform various operations queries on data. That is, SQL can store, change, and queries about the data. This is a common language for using the access and manage the records in the database. Next point is what is MySQL? It is a relational database management system software that provides many things. It allows us to implement database operation on tables, rows, columns, and indexes. It is based on a relationship in the form of table, also known as relation. It also updates table indexes automatically. It is fast, scalable, easy to use database management system in comparison with Microsoft SQL Server and Oracle database. So MySQL Server is and used for the query execution. MySQL software helps to store the manage data in the table, that is rows and columns. In RDBMS means relational database management system, we store the data in tabular form, means the columns and rows. It handle indexes. Indexes handled because easy to access the data. It is quickly access the data, flexible, easier compared to the Microsoft SQL Server and Oracle. Next, features of SQL: easy to use, it is secure, it is scalable, high flexibility, high performance, platform independence, etc. Next point, what is data? So data means set of information that is consist of numbers, name, age. It is a set of information. It is called a data. Next, what is database? A database is an application that stored the organized collection of records. It allows us to organize data into tables, rows, columns, and indexes to find the relevant information very quickly. Different database available: MySQL, Sybase, MongoDB, SQL Server, etc. So, database is used for the stored data, organized collection. That is tables, rows, columns. uh, Data stored in databases, that is MySQL, Sybase, MongoDB, SQL Server, etc. Next, database terminology. In database terminology, we used fields, records, data. That is, data means the one value, record means one row, and field means one column. Next, database management system. It is a software for managing database. It is collection of program to create, update, delete in the database. Four types of database management system is hierarchical, network, relational, and object-oriented database management system. In hierarchical database management system, we used for data like a tree. In network DBMS, we used the data linked like a network. In relational database, we used the data in a table, and object oriented database management system, we store data in the objects. Next, relational database management system. It is used for store data in forms of tables. Each table has a row and column. For example, we use for stored data in tables softwares applications are Oracle, MySQL, MySQL Server, etc. Uh, After that, we see how to installation of MySQL. So we go on MySQL website, official website. Here type MySQL Go on a official website on MySQL, then open the window. Here we go in downloads. In downloads, we select the MySQL community GPL downloads. Then in MySQL community downloads, we select the MySQL workbench and here download the MSI file. So here download the MSI file. Next, SQL command types. SQL language, there are four command types, that is data definition language, data manipulation language, data control language, and transaction control language. See one by one in detail. First, data definition language. It is used for the changes structure of tables. It all commands in DDLA auto committed. Auto committed means it is permanently save all changes in the database. Some commands under DDL, that is create, alter, drop, and truncate. So these commands are seen in details. First, create. It is used for the add a uh, new table, means create a new table in the database. That syntax is create table, table name, column name, data type, that etc. Next command is drop command. Drop command is used for deleted table completely, means remove the table and that stored records. Syntax is drop table, table name. Third is alter. Alter command is used for changes in the table, that is add, remove, modify the columns. Syntax alter table, table name, add, column name, column definition means here data type. Next example, alter table, table name, modify, column name, मतलब variable, sorry, data type. Next, alter table emp modify age int after roll number. Next, truncate. Truncate is used for remove all rows in the table but keep the structure. That is syntax is truncate table, table name. Next, data manipulation language. It is used for the changes the data in database. That means modify the data. The DML command are not auto committed, means the can't permanently save all changes in the database. They can be rolled back. Here DML under command are insert, update, delete. The insert command are used for the add new data in the table. For example, syntax insert into table name and list of columns, values, give the values. Next, another way of insert query, insert into table name, values, and list of values. The next command is update command, that is used for the changes the data in the table, means existing data we have and changes this data. Syntax is update table name, set column name and value, that is where condition. Here where clause is used because there are specific condition and record are changes. Next command is delete command. It is used to remove one or more row from the table. Syntax delete from table name where condition. Here also used a where clause because the specific condition records are deleted. Next, data control language. Data control language is used for controls user access to database, means authority. Commands under DCL is grant and revoke. Grant is used for the give user access to the database, means give permission to user. Syntax grant select update on my table to some user, another user. Next, revoke command are used for take back permission from the user. Syntax revoke select update on my table from user 1 and user 2. Here see example. Next, transaction control language. It is used for only with DML commands like insert, delete, update only. The operations are automatically committed in the database. Here TCL under commands are commit and rollback. Commit command are used for save changes permanently. Syntax commit and rollback command is used for undo changes not saved. Means it is used transaction are not already been saved into the database. That is syntax is rollback. Next is the data query language. It is used for the fetch the data into the database. It uses only one command, that is select. Select command is used for the relational algebra. It is used to select attribute based on condition described by where clause. Here also used a where clause. Syntax select from tables where condition. For example, select star from EMP, that is table name. And second example, select star from EMP where name is John. Means condition here name is John. जॉन का रिकॉर्ड जो भी है वो पूरा सिलेक्ट करना है.